Hello, today we will discuss about UTL online UPS. After corona crisis, everyone is now asking about made in India online UPS. Is your UPS made in India? As we all know, our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said that we all need to become self-reliant and also said that imported product cannot be curbed in quest for self-reliance Bharat. So many of the customer will ask for made in India online UPS. But the problem with the most made in India UPS is they do not have an excellent combination of quality and India wide service. If you will go for local UPS, then their service is very poor, and if you will go for MNC's UPS, then the margin is very low. So now you have to decide that both things are not compatible for you. So what you will do, you will lastly go for MNC's imported online UPS, or you go for another online UPS which service is very poor. So you have to choose between MNC imported and bad service UPS. Now you have to understand that online UPS is installed at the very sensitive places where an interrupted power supply needed. Means change over time should be 0 millisecond after the power cut, like manufacturing plant, IT sector, etc., where the data can be saved at the time of power cut. Choosing bad services UPS is really bad for your business and mental health. Here, if the UPS got damaged and you did not get service at the time, then your all work can be stopped, and customer will make a phone call in the company again and again. If the company does not give the service when they need it, the customer will not trust on the same company, and company will lose their business where company has large amount spent to stand this business. So you have to choose, and this MNC is imported and bad service UPS, because customer goes away from you while you spend more time and money on services, but you will not provide the service at the time they needed. Have you ever replaced online UPS of your customer using your money? Now here you need to spend your own money to repair the UPS, because customer had taken the online UPS from the local company and they got loss in their business, so that company is closed now. This happens because local companies does not have their services at the every places, and they have not provided the service at the time, so they have lose their business, and the company has been shut down as they do not get enough business to service. A trusted brand from last 24 years, UTL is perfect solution to all problems. Which product we are talking about now, you will get from the UTL, which is purely Indian made product. You will get good quality, good margin with the all, which is very important. The service will be on time. UTL online UPS capacity available in the rating of 1 kVA to 120 kVA. For downloading the catalog of UTL online UPS, you can scan the barcode, or you can click on this link, so you can directly download in your mobile or laptop. UTL has perfectly placed more than 250 service manpower all over India. If any services, or if any problem arises in your service, in your UTL online UPS, Then you can log in, or you can complain your registration number on this number, or you can call or send a WhatsApp message on this number 8510885885. So you will get services at your doorstep in 24 to 48 hours. Now we will talk about transformer based rug design, means UTL online UPS feature. UTL online UPS is transformer based rug design. This has double lifespan than imported. If your customer is adamant on prices, then we have imported UPS as well. So now if you need this catalog, then you can scan the barcode or press this link on mobile to download catalog. So now we can start the business. Let us start the business. Please give us our first order from you. Do you want to see what our MD Mr. Yogesh Dua says about our online UPS? Then scan the barcode or press this link on your mobile to see this video. About UTL. UTL was founded in the year 1996 by two proficient engineers, Mr. Yogesh Dua and Mr. Pawan Garg. UTL is one of the leading brands in power backup and power generation in India. UTL offers wide range of quality products, has 4 manufacturing units, a strong network of distributors and dealers across the globe, and a highly motivated workforce. We are offering excellent R&D services through the team of more than 100 R&D professionals, and exporting R&D services and UL or CE certificate products to certified products to various countries including USA, UAE, Nigeria, etc. As the company values long-term relationship, our stakeholders and even customers have very long associations with UTL. Now we will discuss about UTL mission and vision. UTL's mission is to develop value for money, world-class products, and provide excellent services to its customers worldwide. UTL has a clear vision to double its reach globally every second year. Now we will talk about some remarkable milestones covered by UTL are: you can see first Indian sine wave inverter with inbuilt stabilizer, first Indian single card inverter solution, first Indian SMT inverters in year 2000, first Indian manufacturer to develop high frequency online UPS, UTL RMPPT first design, first Indian PCU that has all configuration available on its LCD itself, first online UPS in which charger, inverter card and IGBTs are on one single card, which we were talking about. UTL online UPS is having the feature as very best because this is having charger, inverter card and IGBT are on one single card, which can be removed only one card. Now we will talk about UTL product range. We offer an extensive ranges of products including online UPS, offline UPS, RMPPT solar PCUs, home inverters, solar panels, solar tubular batteries, SMU means solar management unit, solar charge controllers, enabling us to accommodate all the needs of our customers up to their full specification and their full satisfaction. We have Taknia sine wave inverter in the range of 800 VA to 5 kVA. Shamsi solar inverter 675 VA to 1475 VA. Heliac solar inverter, which is inbuilt of PWM, is 1050 VA to 3550 VA. Gamma Plus, which is inbuilt RMPPT solar inverter, 1 kVA to 1 kVA 12 volt to 24 volt. We have our Gamma PCU inbuilt with MPPT solar charge controller as in the rating of 2 kVA to 5 kVA. We have our Alpha Plus solar PCU is also inbuilt with MPPT charge controller as rating of 1 kVA to 15 kVA. We also have Sigma hybrid solar PCU in the rating of 1 kVA to 15 kVA. We have also a string inverter which called grid tie inverter in the rating of 1 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt. UTL product range we will talk about. We have 12 tubular battery which in capacity of 40 Ah to 230 Ah. Solar panel we have 40 watt to 330 watt. PWM solar charge controller we have in 12 or 24 volt to 10 or 20 ampere. We have SMU, that is called solar management unit, that is in the rating of 12 volt or 24 volt in 40 ampere. Our MPPT charge controller, it is in 12 volt 10 ampere to 360 volt 60 ampere. We have lift inverter in the range of 6 kVA to 20 kVA. We have our high frequency online UPS in the rating of 1 kVA to 10 kVA. We have our online UPS inbuilt isolation as 3 kVA to 120 kVA. E-Rickshaw products, UTL Smart LED TV, UTL Stabilizer, UTL Gas Geyser we have. Now we will talk about UTL achievement. UTL is having the earned that Invest India's recognition certification. Second is largest company in off-grid inverter certification, and one of the 25th fastest growing electronic manufacturing company in India's certification. Also the very most important certification as India's most preferred solar inverter brand for 2 years we are getting. So UTL is having the global presence. You can see USA, Syria, UAE, Nigeria, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Malawi, Zimbabwe, etc. UTL prestigious customers is Airtel, PVR, Bharat Petroleum, Air India, etc. So UTL is having their large number of power pack products. So now you can contact us in our corporate office New Delhi and manufacturing office Himachal Pradesh, Parwano. For sales you can contact on this number 9250885885. For service 8510885885, or you can email us sales@utlups.com. You can visit our website www.upsinverter.com. Thank you.